In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Hotjar for your Shopify store. This process is relatively simple and can provide valuable insights into how visitors interact with your website. By setting up Hotjar, you'll be equipped to understand user behavior, improve your site's design, and ultimately enhance your customers' experience. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a Hotjar account. Begin by visiting the Hotjar website and signing up. The registration process is straightforward, requiring just a few details before you can log in. Once you're in, navigate to your site's page. Here, you'll want to click on the option to install the tracking code. This is essential as it enables Hotjar to collect data from your website. You'll see an option to add the code manually, which will present you with the tracking code that you need to copy for the next steps. Now, it's time to add the tracking code to your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify admin and find the Online Store section in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it, then select Themes. This will show you your current theme, and you need to ensure you're working with the active theme in use. Next to your theme, find the three small dots, or ellipsis icon, which will give you an option to edit your code. This step is crucial as it allows you to insert the tracking code directly into your site's structure. Once you've clicked Edit Code, you'll see a list of various files related to your theme. You're looking for a file named theme.liquid, located under the Layout folder. Open this file, and you should see a lot of code sprawling across your screen. Don't worry though, you're only interested in pasting the Hotjar tracking code right before the closing tag. This placement ensures the code is loaded correctly whenever someone visits your site. Once you've pasted the code, remember to save your changes. This step finalizes the integration into your Shopify store. With the tracking code now implemented, it's time to verify that everything is working as it should. Go back to your Hotjar dashboard, where you'll see an option to verify installation. Click on it, and Hotjar will check to ensure the tracking code is properly set up and tracking visitor data accurately. If everything is done correctly, Hotjar will confirm the success of the installation. And that's it. You've successfully set up Hotjar for your Shopify store. By doing so, you now have a powerful tool at your disposal to gather insights and optimize your online storefront for better user engagement and satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on how to make the most of your online business tools.